Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic7 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. Next, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset Phone. Now it gives you a list of data that will be removed by this process right over here. And most importantly, in that list you will find things like photos, music, files, and just user data. That means that if you have anything of that sort that you'd like to preserve, make a copy of it to something, for instance, like your computer, as going through a factory reset will delete this data permanently. I don't have anything here that I want to preserve, so I'm going to select Reset Phone. You do have the option to back up your device right here, but keep in mind this is going to back up the data to the HONOR cloud, meaning that it won't be available to you on any other brand of device outside of HONOR. So I'm just going to select Reset. You have also the option to reset the device but keep eSIM profile if you are using an eSIM, which is the kind of like QR code scanned SIM card instead of a physical one. You could reset it but keep it, or if you just select Reset, it will remove that as well. Now when you press it, it will start the factory reset process of the phone, which will take about 2 minutes to finish up or so, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.